Welcome to AQ Snooker, guys, and today's video is all about technique expert, and there are going to be different videos on small videos. I don't want to extend longer videos. So this is called technique expert, and it is going to correct your aiming, your stance, your weight balance, your potting, even your angle potting, not just the long pots but angle potting as well, and give you the recognition of angles. So let's start with the first one. It has two versions. It has one is an intermediate level, and another one is the advanced level. So let's start with the intermediate level. And first, before starting any practice, you don't need anything, no white ball, no nothing, and just start practicing yourself on this line and see how good you are in this line of aim. And if you are offline, so if you see that you are offline slightly, then you need to correct your weight. So it means you need to correct your weight. So once your weight is correct, then you will automatically be line of aim. So this is a self-doctor. Trust me, it's gonna help you. I mean, I've been thinking about this for years, at least 5-6 years, and now I have implemented it, and I was amazed even after making it that it was so helpful that I cannot explain. Only the user will know that how much helpful it is. So what you need to do is to, if you are not sure, if not confident on this one, what you need to do is to just place your cue on this white spot and then just go in the shot, and you will see that you are perfectly in the center of this line of aim because you have an extended visible line of aim. It's not a virtual line of aim, or it is not an imaginary line of aim. So that's why it's going to help. And the size of this one is almost a box size of a 3/4 joint cue, so it's not long, difficult to carry. So keep doing this, okay? And once you are sure, then we will move to next level. So that's what it is. And then once you start hitting it and see where your cue is, how much your cue is following through. So it has a table on it, you can see that, and it will guide your delivery. So once you are done from the intermediate level, then move to the advanced level. Before going to any ball, you need to practice on both sides, and what you need to do is to repeat the practice same from any part of the table, and then just place your cue again on a difficult line of aim and then start cueing. Until unless you are sure about your cueing that you are now in line, and then you can move to hitting a ball. So keep doing it again and again. This is a video one. We are going to discuss laser technology as well, that how we'll implement this laser into let me show you, and this is yet to come. So keep watching these videos. Second video will be coming shortly, and let's practice on this one and then move to the next level.